Can it,
Okay,
I don't
go live
understand what.
now.
Maybe you can explain it to me. I like let's say I do a what you call it. So with the gem file and all,
Mm-hmm.
uh, isn't it supposed to be like what we talked about with the package, Jason? Is it not that way? Or
Okay, I'm just gonna share my screen now. Um, Share the entire screen. Good. Right, let's push that there. Um, Hope you have my screen now. You should
yeah,
have that. Okay, where did I throw that window now? Oh, shucks. I lost that window. Well, there we go. So I'm just gonna close that. So you added this gem to the report to the gem file, right? Then the next thing you had to do was to run a bundle install. Okay, and then you run this command. It will generate all the necessary file we need for Cucumber to run in the Rails application. So that's actually the last step you were missing from the task that you had to do. Okay.
but okay. So the thing is that I I understand. Like I looked at this page as well, but the thing
Mhm.
is that let's say if I do a bundle install, then whenever people will like grab the repo, they will
Mhm.
they will pull everything that they could just do in their.
No, 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 no. The way bundle works, it's not like npm or bower where it installs something in your local project, right? So if look for instance, you're using RVM or RBM. Are
What?
you using RVM?
Yeah, I'm using RBM.
Okay, on my side, I'm using RBM, but what I'm gonna show you shouldn't be different from what you have on your computer. Okay, so when I look at the root of the my directory here, I have a folder called um, .rbm. You must probably have the same folder, but yours is gonna be .rvm, I think something like that. So if you look at the root of your home folder, you should have a folder called RVM there. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you the content of my RVM folder. You see that I think where does it installs that? I think it's under versions for me. Versions. Okay. So when I run our bundle install, for instance, in a project, right, it doesn't install that onto the project folder, but it comes and installs it under one of these folders, depending on what Ruby version I'm using. Currently, I have two different versions of Ruby on my system, 2.15 and then 2.21. Okay, so when I run bundle install, if I'm on the 2.21 version, it will come and install all the binary files into here. Okay, so if I go into bin, for instance, you'll see those are all the all the binary file from the Ruby gems that I've installed from various projects and all that, and they all reside here. So when you do a commit to your project, it doesn't actually add this because this is local to your computer. I don't know if this makes sense. It's not like like with Node, for instance, where if I run npm, do I have a Node project here? Okay. Mm, So say for instance, you know what happens with node is make the sample node. So what you usually have is you will have a, okay, I'm just gonna init one file here. Yes, that sample. Okay, you still with me?
Yeah, I'm
Right.
still.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add one thing to the package JSON. So if I do, for instance, npm install, what's that? This for the package. See.
So if I want to add this stuff, I would just do like slash slash amend, right? And then add it to,
When you want to do one,
if I want to commit the rest of the stuff, right? Just do the with amend.
have you pushed the stuff already?
Yeah, I pushed the gem file one. So if I'm gonna
Okay,
add,
we'll look into that just now. Okay, you see when you run this npm install, it will create a node module folder inside the project, right?
right?
I think this is what you where you got confused somehow, because we now have this node module um, folder that in a project you would put in a git ignore so that it doesn't get pushed to the repository. I think
Right.
this is what you were referring to.
Yeah.
So with bundle, it's a bit different. So what bundle does, it installs it globally onto your computer and not in the project
Oh,
folder.
okay. So it
Okay.
would be like npm install express minus g, something like that.
Yeah, you
Okay.
could say
Okay.
something like that. Yeah,
All
that's
right.
essentially how it works. So maybe you can share your screen and then we can then set up a few things
Okay.
on the repository on the project. There was one comment we had to do that we didn't after scaffolding the application. Um, Before we get to Cucumber, I think we should probably get to that. What's that? Okay, so we need to run this bean setup, but I want you to first of all open the gem file.
Okay.
You remember Thomas said we're not going to use delayed jobs, so I wanted to comment that out.
Which one?
So delayed, I think it's delayed jobs, something like that.
Delay app job active record. The number 8.
Yes, I think that's it.
Okay.
Just comment it out for now. Just
Okay.
okay.
So with yeah, it's with the hash, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. What else? I'm just quickly looking through what it comes with. Is that? let's look at GitHub default suspenders. So he said, okay, delete job, we don't need that. Email validator, jQuery, refills. Okay. All right, so I think that's it for now. Next thing, you added the Cucumber Rails, right?
Um, this one on 946.
Yes, that's the one. That's fine. Okay, cool. So you can now get save that and get out of the. You can save that and then you now run.
Bundle install.
No, they have a setup script that comes with a suspender. You can just do a /bin/setup to run everything and then.
Like that.
Wait. I think something is gonna fail if I'm not mistaken. The
Because I
database
did
setup.
bundle install, man.
Okay, just run that. It's fine.
But is
Okay,
it
so
okay if
it's
I ran bundle install before? That's
well, what this script does is it's gonna run bundle install first, then it's gonna. Okay, this is gonna fail the database setup. Okay, fine. I want to do something. Just
also I have to
um,
create a Postgres
yeah,
database.
database.yaml. Go to. We need to edit the database connection file. So you go to config. Uh, Let me see your folder, your file explorer.
What? So DB? Do I have to go to DB? Said config
Um,
database YML.
yes, that's the one. Okay, so you can take off all those comments, eh? I think we don't need them really. So just delete all of them.
Delete all these.
Yes, all the comments. I'm gonna I'm gonna paste the config file now into the Slack chat so I can put it there. Just,
Man, what time is it over there? Like 11?
it's 20 past 11. Okay. Paste it here. Create a snippet. So this one is gonna be called Take Me Away.
No, but isn't it different though? I thought it was like this. Take me away development. Oh, is it? That's for test. Okay, never mind.
Uh, yes, I just took this from website one and put it there. Yes, I should do. Um, yeah. Right, cool. I just need that. Okay, I think you have it there on Slack. So you can just
So just erase
yeah,
everything
remove
here.
everything and then just put that there.
Even all that other stuff.
Yeah, everything.
Okay.
That's basically all we need for this.
I didn't grab the first one.
Yeah. Have you been using Vim for a while now?
Yeah.
Okay. Every time I try to work on it, it seems to me like there's too much to learn around that, too many shortcuts to learn, key bindings and all that. Okay, so technically, if you run now that being set up, it should create a database with the migrations and all.
App it's gonna crash.
Hey,
I know why. Because I can't find the data, or would it create the database?
it should. What does it
Okay.
say?
Says
YAML error occurred while parsing. You probably have oh, test tabs are not allowed. You must use spaces, not tabs.
on the Vim config file
Yes, on that YAML file.
on this one.
Yes. Uh,
So what should I do?
okay, just like on every line, just what you do, go to the second line maybe. Yes, there, and just delete and then two spaces.
Just add two spaces.
Yeah, just make two spaces, not tabulations, no tabs, just spaces. Yes, like that. I think you have to do that for every lines there. For some reason it's used. I don't know why.
So this too, like the space doesn't matter. What about this? That too?
Yeah, you must make it two spaces also. And also after the last line there, there's I think you must probably remove whatever is after there. I hope that's really it there.
Really what?
'Cause otherwise, no, I'm hoping that was the issue with that because otherwise, file looks okay for me.
Cucumber test. What about this stuff?
Remove all those colons at the end after test, whatever. So make two spaces. Yeah, after that, you remove everything there.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. What, did it fail again? Oh, now it's Postgres. Password is no. Wait, couldn't create database for.
Yeah, I know why. Because I have to have the password. Give me a second.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm gonna stop for a second.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Running. Okay, cool. We have the migrations. So I think that's about it. So now, um, just Alice. Let me see what's in there. I want to see what was created.
What do I do? LS?
Yeah, in that folder, I want to see what's in there. Oh. So we get app bin config db public vendor. Do we have an rspec thingy there? I mean, a spec folder.
Not that I know of. I don't see it.
Okay, cool. We don't have. I wonder why. Uh, where am I?
Was yours made?
Sorry.
Did you make when you ran it? Did you make an R spec?
No, no, no. Okay, I thought it generated the rspec folder, but it's fine. Just it's fine. Let's set up that cucumber thing now. You can run
Okay.
that command that I was telling.
The
Maybe
bundle.
just do we maybe want to commit this first before we before we start setting up cucumber. I don't know. Let's see how many files were changed first. I want to see
Should I make another branch or
which branch are you on.
I mean add cucumber branch?
It's fine. You can do it. Yeah.
So how do I okay, just git commit minus m.
Did you add the files to staging?
Okay.
Um, okay, so you add the gem file and well, you can add everything.
No, just add the gem file because the database YML is not either. So
Oh, did you put
uh,
a password in the database for ML?
yeah, I did because that's
Oh,
because I haven't
okay.
configured mine.
Okay,
So
okay. In that case, then it's useless to do that now. So what I'll do is you can just leave it like that. It's fine then. Just let's set up Cucumber. What I will do is on my side here, I will set up the YML file for the database, and then I'll push it to the repository. Okay,
okay,
cool. So you can just leave, just go ahead and set up Cucumber for now. It's fine.
okay. So are you gonna share your screen or?
Do you want me to do it now? The database. I
No,
was
I mean
thinking maybe
if
you
if
can.
you're gonna go to sleep, then that's cool, and then we can. I'll check it whenever, or I don't know what you're gonna do.
No, just let's just set up Cucumber. I'll sort out the database later on. The database file. Okay. Or you want me to do it?
No, no. So we're done, or what is it that you're gonna do? I'm not sure what you're gonna do.
No, your YAML file has a password. I wanted to set a standard one that everyone can use without a password.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, so that's all. But I can do that later on. I don't have to do it now.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
So hey, thanks for helping me out, man, and have a good
Don't you
night.
want to set up the cucumber?
Oh, okay. Uh,
Yeah, let's finish with that. Then I'll go to sleep after that.
okay, okay. I thought you were gonna
No,
do it
no,
too.
no. I'm not going yet.
Okay. Yeah, give me a second.
Let's see if we can get that running, and then you can add that to your pull request.
Okay. So
Just go to GitHub. No, just send it. Trails generate cucumber dot install. There you go.
just generate. Where is it here? I thought it was like the package JSON stuff that I was talking to you about.
No,
So
no.
that was kind of
This is all you have to do. Okay, so you see it created a couple of files, um, including, just scroll up maybe. So we have a feature folder, then what is that? Is it config cucumber.yaml? Um, then we have um, what are those files down there now? Look,
oh no, I just wanted to see what did it
okay,
create.
cool. Um, yeah, so from there on we need to next.
So
Okay,
just add the lib task, cucumber rake, and the script and the features.
okay. Um, do a git status. I want to see what files are in there. Maybe
Can you see it?
mm, no.
Yeah, I did a git status
Okay,
in
maybe
red.
there's a bit of a lag. Oh, okay. All right. Cool. Okay, cool. It's fine.
So should I add the not the gem file lock, right? Just
Okay, add the cucumber, the config file. You add the feature folder. You add libtask cucumber rails and
the script.
the folder. You know,
Okay.
yeah. So
So then commit them, and I add remaining remaining. What should I put? Like
um, just say maybe um, generate. I don't know, bare minimum files for cucumbers. I don't know, something
what
like
is it?
that. Um, bare minimum setup for cucumber, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm guessing maybe one of the things we could do is um, sort of write one test and see if it passes. But yeah, let's skip that for another day. I think I rather call this a wrap for now. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just do a git. So should I do just an amend or
No, no, no. You don't have to amend anything. Just push this branch to, just push this to your branch, and then it will update the pull request automatically.
should I not do like git fetch upstream and get all that stuff?
Uh, well, there wasn't much change on this, right? So I think you can skip it. We haven't done much on this yet, so some of the stuff are okay. So now if you go to your to the pull request, that commit should be there now. Yes, it is there. So you see, every time when you create a pull request, and maybe somebody comes and makes a comment on the request, on the pull request, all you have to do is, if you have to make a change, you just have to go locally, make your change, commit them normally, and push them to your branch on GitHub. You don't have to create a new one. It's gonna do it automatically.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see, is it this one? No. Go to, just click on the side, um, click on the project name, take me away on top there. Yes.
Okay.
Then open the pull requests, uh, um, the pull request page to list all the pull requests available on this project.
Pull request but I just did that. Isn't it this?
No, not this one. If you see the list of icons on the side, yes, that one. So if you click on that one, on your pull request there, just open it. You
Okay.
see this is the last commit that you made there. So yeah, I think what would be left is for Thomas to review it, and then merging it to the master. All right.
So
Do you want to?
just put
Sorry.
just do a close and comment. I don't have to add
No,
like
no, no,
a.
no. Don't close it yet. He's gonna see it first and make the and merge it to the develop branch.
So just comment then.
Yeah, just comment for now. Okay. So yeah, I think we're just gonna wait and hear from Thomas if this is good to be merged, and then if he has a review to make on that, then yeah, we'll take it from there. Okay,
All right, man. Thank you very much.
no problem, man.
Have a good
Let's do this
have a good
again
night.
sometime soon. Hey,
All right. Thanks, man. See
cool.
you.